I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on.
All right. Every time I record, I got the mic in a different spot, but one of these days I'll figure it out. What's going on, everybody? It is a Wednesday afternoon in October, and it's beautiful outside. The main reason of this video is I hit 100 subscribers, which I honestly didn't think was going to happen for, I don't know, like a year. So I'm pretty stoked. I got to thank all of you and the Yamaha Bolt, because I think that's what all the views are from. Honestly, I don't think anyone cares about anything else. I don't know what else I'm going to be doing on this channel, but I'm going to try to just keep making videos. I appreciate all of you that watch the video, leave a comment, positive or negative, I don't even care. Like the video, share it. All that you have subscribed, I really do appreciate it. I know it's nothing crazy, 100 subscribers, but I'm stoked. So I don't know what the next move is, but I guess the 100 of you will be plugged in to check it out. Man, it is nice out right now. This isn't going to be a crazy long video. Your boy's still jobless. Oh, the other thing, I have this angle on Super View, which I don't think I've done yet, so let me know what you guys think if you've watched the other videos compared to this one. But yeah, I'm still jobless. I'm looking. It's kind of crossed my mind to see about working at a ski resort for the winter or something, going out to, you know, West Coast somewhere, Colorado, Wyoming, even California, Utah. But I don't know, I'm fiddling around with that, going to a job fair tomorrow, just see what some options are. I'm not trying to jump back into a job that, you know, I don't like or I'm not passionate about in some way, because I don't want to keep leaving jobs. It's taxing and not that fun. I don't know, anyone who watches this, once again, just comment down below what you do for a living. I'm curious. Woo! God, I used to hate when people always did that, but now I kind of understand why. You know, so don't knock it till you try it. If anything in life, I guess. That's really going to be it for this one. I got some things going on later in the week, so I'll see what's coming next for a video. Try to add some different stuff so it's not all motorcycles. Let me know what you guys want to see. Once again, thank you for 100 subscribers. Appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay